In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Acorns versus Wealthfront and help you decide which is the better investment app for you. Both of these platforms have carved out significant niches in the world of robo-advisors, providing innovative, easy-to-use investment solutions that cater to different types of investors. Firstly, both Acorns and Wealthfront offer passive investing services. This means they utilize robo-advisors to automatically invest and manage your funds, making investment accessible and cost-efficient for beginners and seasoned investors alike. The main draw here is their ability to streamline your investments, eliminating the need for hands-on management while optimizing your financial growth potential. Let's talk about Acorns. Acorns is particularly well suited for individuals who may be new to investing or prefer a more automated approach. It simplifies investing by automatically rounding up your spare change from everyday purchases and investing it in diversified portfolios. This micro investing feature is its standout characteristic, making it an excellent choice for those who want to dip their toes into the investment world without feeling overwhelmed or needing a substantial initial deposit. On the other hand, Wealthfront offers a more comprehensive suite of offerings appealing to those interested in a more personalized investment approach. It provides advanced financial planning tools, retirement accounts, and the option to customize ETFs. Wealthfront also incorporates tax loss harvesting, which can optimize your tax efficiency. This platform is ideal for individuals who might have a bit more investment knowledge or are looking to handle a larger asset base with more strategic planning involved. Now, if we compare the key features of both platforms, one must consider fees and pricing. Acorns, while user-friendly, charges a flat monthly fee which can be cost-effective for smaller portfolios. However, as your portfolio grows, Wealthfront's 0.25% advisory fee might prove to be more economical in the long run due to its scalable benefits. Security is a crucial consideration as well. Both platforms offer strong security measures, including two-factor authentication and encryption, so your investments remain safe and secure. In terms of app functionality and user experience, both Acorns and Wealthfront have intuitive designs, though Wealthfront provides more in-depth analytical tools if that's important to you. So, who should choose Acorns? If you're someone who's just starting out, interested in micro investing, and prefers a straightforward, hands-off approach, then Acorns would suit you well. However, if you're seeking a more tailored investment strategy with sophisticated features like tax optimization and are ready to explore a wider range of investment accounts, Wealthfront might be your go-to app. Ultimately, the decision between Acorns and Wealthfront should align with your personal financial goals and how involved you wish to be with managing your investments. Both platforms are robust in their own right, and considering your specific needs can lead to a more satisfying investment experience.